guys, Dassah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an exciting one. I'm doing a review on this hair right here. This is from Tahikie hair on Amazon. I'm sorry, I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. These are the 16-inch Kinky straight extensions, and I really love the bag. When I saw the pink, I'm really a fan of pink, and also the bag is reusable, so I really like that. So I'm going to open it. It says fashion on the front. Let's go ahead and take this out. So right here are the extensions right here. You can see the length of them, 16 inches. I'm going to go ahead and open it so you guys can see a better look. Now, I really love this hair texture. Is very natural, realistic texture. The Kinky straight, I really love that. Definitely, if you guys are looking for something affordable and very great quality. Now, this hair is also 100% human hair. So if you guys have this hair texture, it would match perfectly with you guys. I'm gonna get you guys a better look at how the bundles look. And you guys, the 16-inch. So you guys, I think this is a great quality. If you guys are looking for an easy install, very realistic looking, soft, you know, great quality, definitely check out this hair on Amazon. I will leave a link to their store in the description box with you guys. I think this looks so cute. Just look at this right here. If I was wearing it, like, look how cute that would be. Super cute. I just love it, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.